Sometimes it's the light rain that can cause the problems. We have not seen all that much rain come through the area today, but the rain is around and the roads are certainly wet. Your grass is getting a nice little watering out of the deal. And for you folks heading down to Thursday Night Live, again, the Fifth Third Pavilion is nice and covered there, so make the best of it on what is still a somewhat damp Thursday afternoon. And again, our St. Joseph Health WeatherBug camera located at 21C Museum Hotel, looking down on Cheapside Pavilion rather. So there you go. You got the courthouse there in the foreground. Terrific stuff. MaxTrack Live Doppler. Right now the bulk of the rain is sitting from I-75 and eastward. Heavy batch of showers. Now running from northern Clark County into the eastern part of Bourbon County, Bath County getting in on that, some in Nicholas, all the way up into Fleming County, and lighter rain scattered around. Over the last 6 hours, we've watched the rain coming through, and again, not particularly heavy. No severe weather with this, so we've kind of caught a break with all that. The reason why, well, all the energy and a lot of the moisture has been taken by these storms down here across the deep south, where there have been numerous severe thunderstorm, tornado warnings, tornado watches. You see that squall line working its way from Mississippi, Alabama toward Georgia. So again, there's only a finite amount of moisture and energy available, and if it's all being concentrated here, it has a tough time coming northbound. On the MaxTrack, rain and some thunder showers. Still, you can't rule out a couple of downpours before the night is done. Tomorrow, the cool down really begins. And for Mother's Day weekend, there's going to be plenty of rain around, but there will be some dry hours. Part of Saturday and maybe late in the day on Sunday. So here's the setup. We've got an area of low pressure now sitting up over Michigan, warm front well to the north. You've got the scattering of showers and thunderstorms out ahead of the main cold front, which is still back in Indiana, Illinois, then heads on to the south. High pressure up there to the north will play a small role in your weekend. By midnight, you're still seeing rain around the area, and again, a downpour or two cannot be ruled out with that. As the front crosses the area during the overnight hours into your Friday morning, some lingering showers are around. Those should just be light and pesky. We go then into Friday late in the day. I think we're ending up dry at that point, but you're noticing a new batch of rain coming up from middle and western Tennessee, even though we've got the high pressure sitting up here. Well, that possibility of rain, at least for some of us, early on Saturday is there. But as we roll through Saturday, I think we get a little bit of sunshine through the middle of the day. Then the main batch of rain begins to make its presence felt by, say, Saturday late afternoon into the evening. So your window to get things done this weekend, mid-morning Saturday to mid-afternoon Saturday. After that, you're kind of taking your chances. Then that area of low pressure will continue north, and with it, the rain will be continuing. So we go from Saturday night toward Sunday morning, Mother's Day. Some of that rain is going to be heavy that we go in here for the early morning hours of Sunday. Your Mother's Day, still going to start out with rain in the area. Most of that rain should be fairly light by the time we're getting into most of Mother's Day. By the afternoon, we're starting to push it off to the east. So there's your hope for getting a little dry time before the end of Mom's Day out there. And rainfall amounts, pretty generous again, with the heaviest looking to fall now across the southeast. We could pick up an inch and a half of rain through Sunday. Lesser amounts as we head on up to the north and northwest. 69 at the Bluegrass Airport, 2/100 of an inch of rain. That's it. You can sweat that much. But it is muggy out there, and a high today did make 76 before the rain arrived. Low and mid 70s to the east, 60s as we head back to the west. So tonight, showers and thunderstorms are around. A locally heavy downpour can't be ruled out. This will all be tapering off then later on tonight. Overnight lows staying in the low 60s. A variable cloud cover tomorrow. Showers will be ending. Maybe a hint of some sun will be in the low 70s. Saturday, there's a shower chance early, a break, and then the rain returns later in the day. That lasts on into Mother's Day. You see the highs over the weekend are in the 60s, and early next week, we do stay cool.
And somewhat rain-free.
Somewhat rain-free, yeah. We will find dry days in there.
Yay.
Half full. It's always half full.
Yes.
Yes,
Gotta do it.